So in this quick guide, I'm going to show you guys how to actually add a Claude to your Excel software. And it's pretty easy. You literally just need to click here. So here you can see it says add-ins, and then you just want to click Claude and then click add, and it should be there. Now, bear in mind that might not appear for everyone up there, and you will have to sign in with your account. Don't forget that when you sign in with this account, it still is the same, usage limits as a standard Claude account. So if you're thinking that you can use this with different rate limits, don't. You will burn out of credits again. If you've already burned out of your max credits, you're going to be completely screwed. So make sure that you ensure you are rationing your credits as you would per usual. And in addition, if this doesn't work, because I know that this search menu isn't as good, come over to this link and then you'll be able to see Claude by Anthropic for Excel. Now, the difference is here that when you click get it now, you will need to make sure that you are signed in with your actual Microsoft account that you're signed in with on Excel. And if you're not, when you click get it now, it will just be bound to that email address. So the email address that you put here has to be the same email address that you use to sign in with Microsoft 365, so that when you sign into Excel, you can actually, use the correct software. So that is how you do it. It's super, super simple. And if it's not working, you have any questions, don't forget to drop a comment down below and I will try and help you.